What luck! Unraveling a common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating and frequently used phrase in English, what luck. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these kinds of expressions is key to sounding natural in English. So, let's get started. What luck is a phrase that you might hear in various situations. At its core, it expresses a reaction to a fortunate event or a surprising stroke of good luck. It's similar to saying, "How lucky," or "That's lucky." However, the tone and context can slightly change its meaning. Interestingly, what luck can have two different tones, positive and sarcastic. 1. Positive tone. When said genuinely, it celebrates a bit of good fortune. For instance, if you find money on the street, you might exclaim, "What luck!" 2. Sarcastic tone. In a sarcastic tone, it can express frustration or disbelief at an unfortunate event. For example, if it starts raining right after you washed your car, you might say, "What luck," with a sense of irony. Understanding the tone is crucial to grasping the speaker's true intent. What luck is often used in casual conversations. It's a versatile phrase that fits well in both spoken and written English, but it's more common in informal settings. Here are a few examples. Positive. I found the last piece of my favorite cake at the bakery. What luck! Sarcastic. I forgot my umbrella, and now it's pouring. What luck! Being able to use this phrase appropriately will add a natural flair to your English conversations. In different cultures, expressing luck can have various connotations. In English-speaking cultures, acknowledging luck, either positively or sarcastically, is quite common and is seen as a way to comment on life's unpredictability. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "What luck," and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, understanding such expressions not only improves your English comprehension but also helps you connect more deeply with the language's cultural nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll be using phrases like this naturally in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.